Welcome to this in-depth review of Tarsnap Cloud Storage. Tarsnap is designed for users who prioritize security, as it offers a unique pay-as-you-go pricing model. This means you only pay for what you use, which can be beneficial if you need flexible storage options. Tarsnap uses strong encryption methods to ensure that your data is safe, making it a great choice for sensitive information. However, Tarsnap isn't without its challenges. The interface can be somewhat complex for new users. If you're accustomed to more user-friendly cloud services, you may find Tarsnap's command line interface a bit daunting. This aspect can be a significant hurdle for those who prefer a straightforward setup and easy navigation. In terms of pricing, Tarsnap operates on a consumption-based model, which means your cost will vary depending on how much data you store and transfer. This can be advantageous for users with fluctuating storage needs, but it might also lead to unpredictability in your monthly bills. It's crucial to monitor your usage closely to avoid unexpected charges. Another important point to consider is Tarsnap's commitment to privacy. With its rigorous encryption protocols, your data is stored in a way that even Tarsnap staff cannot access it. This level of security is a major selling point for many users, especially those in fields like healthcare or finance, where data privacy is paramount. Midway through our discussion, it's worth noting an excellent offer. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. This could be a game changer if you require a significant storage without ongoing costs. As we wrap up the details on Tarsnap, remember that while it may not be the easiest option for everyone, its security features and pricing model can make it an attractive choice for those who prioritize these elements. We've covered the advantages and drawbacks, service overview, and costs associated with Tarsnap, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this cloud storage service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.